G'day trendsetters, how's it going? How's 2019 treating you so far? I'll tell you something for free here, it's hot and dry. But besides that, I know there's something you've been hanging out for, and that's today I'm going to harvest the potatoes in a bag. See what sort of a crop we got out of it. So let's get into it. All right, so I planted these from a couple of little slivers back in October, maybe. I'll have to double check on the video I made. I'll put a link to that in the description below. But they've had November, December, January, about 3 months in the bag. As you can see, they're well and truly dead. So without any further ado, let's see what we got. Oop. 1, 2, 2's better than none. Two might be it. Little one. Ooh, dear, oh dear. Oh, what's that? No, lump. Oop. Well, this is disappointing. I got enough for maybe one meal tonight. Phew, lots of lilies. Oh, another little one. They'll make nice little jacket potatoes. Oh, here we go. Oh, we're getting better. The white one's obviously done pretty good. I think that might be it. Oh no, here's another red one. Oh well. Another little one. That might be it. I'm getting desperate here. No. Oh well, I've got another bag there. I bought 2 bags at the time, so I'll try again. I might mix a little bit more homemade compost into the potting mix, see if that makes any difference. But here's my harvest for now. What do you think? 2 meals. Meh. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video, and hopefully there's a little bit more success. All this potting mix that was in the potato bag won't go to waste. This will all end up probably in the compost bins. I'll mix it through with the grass clippings and cardboard and everything else that I throw in the compost. So even though it seems like a lot of potting mix to use for the few little potatoes that I got, it's still not a total waste. So, but anyhow, if you like this video or enjoyed it in any way, I'd love it if you subscribed. We have, you and I, got 101 subscribers the last time I checked, which is about an increase of 4 since I made the last video. Talking about videos, I've been a little bit hit and miss lately. Mainly I've been on holidays for 3 weeks, so it's I've been running away for weekends and up to the coast and just enjoying my time. The other thing is the weather. It's so hot and dry, it's a little bit dispiriting. It's hard to get out and plant seeds and plant veggies knowing that you're going to have to spend all your time watering them. And the other thing was that my computer was really slow at producing the videos that I I would make, and it would take forever, so I wasn't really encouraged. But I bought a new computer now, and it goes like a little spaceship. So hopefully things will improve around here, and I can knock out a video at least once a week. I have got a little list of videos I'd like to make, so stick around if you've enjoyed it, and we'll have a bit more fun. Cheers.